10 to 15 puffs, but it's more like 25 for me. Now 7:51 and we are stopping to get firewood so we can have a fire tonight. So we're gonna go back to the campsite and set up our bed situation, and then maybe have a fire and play some games or something like that. We have our fire set up here and our chairs. You probably can't see it, but in the distance there are the mountains. I'm gonna wash my face. This is my little setup here. This water is freezing. Still brought the ponds with me. So it is about 7:47, and last night was a little chilly in the car, but it wasn't too bad. Yeah, so this is our first time car camping, so it was a really cool experience. And we'll probably do it again. Maybe we'll consider a tent or something, but we'll see what the future holds. Now we're gonna pack up the car and maybe do like one lookout and then head back home. And I feel like my eyes are watering because it's kind of chilly. This is my sleep pad that I use. It's from Climate, and you just blow air into it. They say like 10 to 15 puffs, but it's more like 25 for me. And then you hit the one-way valve and it deflates. So I'm just deflating it now. It's all rolled up now, and it's really small when it's rolled up, which is nice. There's a deer. Right there. We just went to some of the lookout points we didn't see yesterday. And so we went to Devil's Overlook and Sunset Overlook. I actually went to Sunset Overlook yesterday, but I just wanted to see how it looked today. And it's still just as beautiful. So I will insert some clips here.